Welcome viewers and welcome imaginary studio audience to another round of Matchers Keepers. Let's meet our contestants, shall we? David, Ilse, I hear you're both big fans of the show, correct?
I watched it today.
Okay. Let's play
Matchers Keepers.
Matchers Keepers. Matchers Keepers.
Okay, you two, we're going to use the IKEA Place app to place a desk and take a picture. If the desks match, you get to take the real one home with you. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Matchers Keepers.
Matchers Keepers.
Matchers Keepers.
Matchers Keepers.
Matchers Keepers.
Matchers Keepers. Matchers Keepers.
Time's up. Let's take a photo and see how well you can read each other's minds through a wall. Not too well, it seems.
Matchers Keepers.
Matchers Keepers.
This time we've filled the room with AR furniture and you'll remove all but one piece. Ready? Go!
Matchers Keepers.
Time's up. Let's see how you did. Oh, you're kidding. Another mismatch? That's too bad. It's not over yet, though. We have a bonus round. Okay, you two. All you have to do is agree on one of 2 IKEA products you selected in the last round. You have 7 seconds to make a match.
All right, yeah.
Let's do it. And time. What are we going with?
We're gonna go with the couch.
Matchers Keepers.